welcome to today's Science Unwrapped experiment where we are going to make a homemade pendulum which will model Newton's first law of motion. So, as you can see here, we have a medium where we will display our art, our pendulum art. You can use anything you want, some pieces of paper, but I would put some newspaper down because it might get a little bit messy. And next we have our bottle, just an old plastic bottle. We poked a hole in this end and we poked a hole in this end. We tied some string to it and hung it from anything that is level. Alrighty, as you can see, we put some paint in our plastic bottle and our art pendulum is ready to go. So I am just going to give this a little swing and let gravity do the work. Ooh. So as you can see, gravity is slowing the bottle down and inertia is what keeps it in motion. Inertia is a property of an object that it stays in motion unless something stops it, like gravity. And actually, Galileo discovered the pendulum a long time ago, and they used it as a way to keep time. Because these swings are so regular, it was like it was a clock.